यार ऊपर नीचे बोलो यार. Excuse me. Well.
They only represent India at different possibility on them, but they can play a role in inspiring us and use them for social ads. Personality that is going to carry them far. Today, as a young woman, I think what I can do, by what I hope to achieve by winning this title, is that I hope to be able to motivate my contemporaries and peers, young women of my age today in the country, to be able to achieve, to aspire, to dream, and to get there. And I think where society is concerned, we are young ambassadresses going out into the world, representing our countries. We want to hold our country's head high, and I'm sure we will all do our very best to be the best Miss Indias that you've ever had. Classical dancers. There have been Miss Indias in the past who have gone on to become social activists. She's given me my values. She's given me...
Asking for a whole article. Well, to put it very briefly,